welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is your shopping female, and in today's video I want to show it to you one of my husband Christmas gift, and this is a Jo Malone perfume or cologne, and this is my first Jo Malone, and let's see what's inside. And here is the original packaging from Jo Malone with a gold ribbon. Okay, and here is it. I have here some 4 sample of perfume, and this is the English Pear and Persia cologne. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Thank you for the sample. I love it. And let's see what I got and what I choose. And here is it. Open it. I like the ribbon with black color, and the packaging is also very beautiful. I like it so much. And there is it. Ta-da! So, and this is the velvet rose and wood. So let me try. Oh, I like it. It's my first perfume and I like it. I like the packaging, I like the bottle, and the smell too. It's my first time, but I cannot make a review because I don't know how long lasts the perfume to myself. So maybe next time. That's all from now. It's a unboxing, and maybe see you later in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.